Les policiers accusés collectionnaient des mèches de cheveux de ces victimes et se partagent les exploits racistes. Les enjeux de discrimination raciale dépassent les individus et touchent le système lui-même. Le démantèlement inédit d'une équipe entière de policiers illustre la gravité de la situation et justifie une enquête externe plutôt qu'une gestion interne.
On veut moins de présence policière, moins de surveillance à Montréal-Nord. C'est ça notre demande. Et on veut que votre budget diminue. Merci.
I'm at City Hall, where police administrators, including Police Chief Fadzi Deguerre, are here to address the public about allegations that came to light that police officers in Montreal North out of the 39th precinct were collecting trophies from Black and Brown people that they had interactions with. 16 of the officers that were on this team that was doing this, they've now been disbanded. 3 of them are suspended. We don't know if it's with or without pay, and the others have been relegated to administrative duties or at least to other stations. All 16 of these officers have also been disarmed. Obviously, this case is eliciting a lot of emotions. There's a criminal investigation underway into the officers in question, and Fadzi Deguerre says that officers across the SPVM are embarrassed and ashamed of the actions of their fellow officers. It's so full in here, so many people are here. We had to sit on the floor, some people are in an overflow room, and the questions are being tightly timed. The question period was held after a presentation by the SPVM. The police said they would monitor officers' behavior more closely and be present on the ground with community, promising to rebuild trust with Montreal North.
Décisions qui ont été prises le démontrent et nous avons agi promptement. Dans les prochaines semaines et mois, nous allons poursuivre cette présence terrain et continuer le travail avec nos partenaires et maintenir un dialogue ouvert avec la communauté.
But for many, that trust could be beyond repair.
Le fait que vous osez utiliser ces événements comme prétexte pour augmenter votre présence dans notre quartier est tellement un manque de respect et tellement audacieux de votre part. Vous n'êtes pas la bienvenue.